Title: The Adventure of Captain Sparkle and the Hidden Treasure in the bustling port town of Coral Cove. Young Lily lived with her grandmother. Lily was a curious and adventurous girl who loved stories of pirates and hidden treasures. Every evening, her grandmother would tell her tales of daring pirates who sailed the high seas in search of treasure. One sunny afternoon, while exploring the attic of their old house, Lily stumbled upon an ancient, dusty chest. With a pounding heart, she opened it and found an old, tattered map inside. The map was covered in strange symbols and led to a place called Rainbow Island. At the bottom of the map was a name, Captain Sparkle. Captain Sparkle, Lily whispered, her eyes wide with excitement. I've never heard of this pirate before. Lily ran downstairs to show her grandmother the map. Her grandmother's eyes widened in surprise. This map belonged to your great-grandfather, who was a famous sailor. Captain Sparkle was a legendary pirate known for her kindness and bravery. She protected the seas from evil pirates and always shared her treasure with those in need. Lily's eyes sparkled with excitement. Can we go to Rainbow Island, Grandma? Her grandmother smiled. If you believe in the magic of adventure, anything is possible. Determined to follow the map and find the hidden treasure, Lily decided to gather a crew. She told her best friends, Max and Mia, about the map and her plan to find Captain Sparkle's treasure. Max, a clever boy with a love for gadgets, and Mia, a brave girl who was an excellent swimmer, were thrilled to join Lily on her adventure. They gathered supplies and set sail on their small boat, the Starfish. As they sailed across the sparkling blue sea, they encountered playful dolphins, colorful fish, and even a friendly sea turtle who showed them the way through a tricky reef. The children worked together, navigating through storms and steering clear of dangerous rocks. One night, as they sailed under a sky full of stars, they heard a soft, melodic humming. Following the sound, they discovered a glowing, magical seashell. Inside the shell was a tiny fairy named Coral, who offered to guide them to Rainbow Island. After days of sailing, they finally reached Rainbow Island. The island was more beautiful than they could have imagined, with lush green forests, sparkling waterfalls, and vibrant flowers in every color of the rainbow. As they explored the island, they met talking animals, magical creatures, and friendly islanders who told them about Captain Sparkle. They learned that Captain Sparkle had hidden her treasure to protect it from the evil pirate, Blackbeard, who wanted to steal it for himself. Following the clues on the map, Lily, Max, and Mia ventured deep into the heart of the island. They faced challenges and solved puzzles, each step bringing them closer to the hidden treasure. With Coral's help, they deciphered the ancient symbols and navigated through enchanted forests and mysterious caves. At last, they reached a secret cave guarded by a giant, talking parrot named Percy. Percy was Captain Sparkle's loyal companion and had been protecting the treasure for many years. Only those with pure hearts and brave spirits can find the treasure, Percy squawked. Are you worthy? Lily stepped forward. We seek the treasure to help those in need, just like Captain Sparkle did. Percy nodded and allowed them to enter the cave. Inside, they found a series of intricate puzzles and traps designed to test their teamwork and courage. They worked together, using their unique skills to overcome each challenge. Finally, they reached a golden chest adorned with sparkling jewels. As they opened it, they found not only gold and jewels but also a letter from Captain Sparkle. The letter read, "To those who find my treasure, remember that the greatest treasure is not gold or jewels, but the kindness and bravery in your hearts. Use this treasure to make the world a better place." With tears of joy, Lily, Max, and Mia vowed to honor Captain Sparkle's legacy. They returned to Coral Cove and used the treasure to build schools, hospitals, and shelters for those in need. Their adventure became a legendary tale, inspiring others to embark on their own journeys of kindness and bravery. And so, the spirit of Captain Sparkle lived on, in the hearts of all who heard their story. Title: Pirate Pals and the Treasure of the Rainbow Island. Once upon a time, in a bustling seaside town called Haboval, lived a young and adventurous boy named Finn. Finn had always been fascinated by the sea and the tales of pirates that sailed its vast waters. Every day after school, he would visit the town's library, where Miss Marlowe, the kind old librarian, would tell him stories of daring pirate adventures. One sunny afternoon, as Finn rummaged through a dusty old chest in the attic of his house, he stumbled upon a curious, ancient-looking map. The map was tattered and worn, with strange symbols and a big red X marking a spot on a distant island. Finn's eyes widened in excitement. Could this be a real pirate treasure map? He wondered aloud. Determined to find out, Finn ran to his best friend Lily's house. Lily was a smart and resourceful girl who loved solving mysteries. She was in her backyard, tinkering with her latest invention, a small robotic parrot named Squawk. "Lily, look what I found," Finn exclaimed, holding up the map. Lily examined the map closely. "This looks old, really old, but if it's real, we might be onto something big." Finn grinned. "Then let's find out." Adventure awake. Finn and Lily quickly prepared for their journey. They packed a small bag with supplies, including a compass, a spyglass, and some snacks. With Squawk perched on Lily's shoulder, they headed to the town docks where the majestic ship, the Sea Serpent, was anchored. The Sea Serpent belonged to Captain Barnacle, a retired pirate who now worked as a fisherman. Captain Barnacle was known for his adventurous spirit and love for the sea. "Captain Barnacle," Finn called out as they approached the ship. "We need your help." Captain Barnacle, a burly man with a thick grey beard and a friendly smile, greeted them warmly. "Aye, what brings ye young adventurers to my ship today?" Finn showed him the map. Captain Barnacle's eyes sparkled with recognition and excitement. "Well, shiver me timbers. This here be a genuine pirate map. It leads to Rainbow Island, a place where it's said a great treasure lies hidden. Will you take us there?" Lily asked eagerly. Captain Barnacle chuckled. "Aye, I'll take ye, but remember, the sea is full of dangers. Ye must be brave and stay together." With that, the Sea Serpent set sail, cutting through the waves as Finn, Lily, and Captain Barnacle embarked on their grand adventure. As the Sea Serpent sailed further from Haboval, the waters began to shimmer with strange, magical colors. Squawk squawked excitedly, fluttering around Lily's head. "These are the enchanted waters," Captain Barnacle explained. "Legend says they're protected by sea sprites who guard the way to Rainbow Island." Finn and Lily leaned over the ship's railing, gazing at the beautiful colors swirling beneath the surface. Suddenly, a splash caught their attention. A group of playful dolphins leapt out of the water, their sleek bodies glistening in the sunlight. "Wow, dolphins!" Finn exclaimed. The dolphins seemed to be leading the way, jumping and twirling in the air. Captain Barnacle smiled. "It looks like they're guiding us. Follow the dolphins, crew." The Sea Serpent followed the dolphins through the enchanted waters, passing by towering sea cliffs and mysterious, misty islands. Finn and Lily felt a sense of wonder and excitement as they sailed deeper into the unknown. Just as the sun began to set, the sky darkened, and ominous clouds gathered overhead. The sea grew rough, and the wind howled fiercely. "A storm's brewing," Captain Barnacle shouted over the roaring wind. "Hold on tight, mates." The sea serpent was tossed by the mighty waves, and lightning cracked across the sky. Finn and Lily clung to the ship's railing, their hearts pounding with fear. "We must be close to Rainbow Island," Lily said, her voice barely audible over the storm. Through the rain and crashing waves, a dark shape emerged on the horizon. It was a small island, glowing faintly with a rainbow-colored light. "That's it, Rainbow Island," Finn cried out, with Captain Barnacle's expert steering. The sea serpent battled the storm and made its way towards the island. Just as they reached the shore, the storm began to calm, and the skies cleared. Rainbow Island was a sight to behold. The sands were as white as snow, and the island was covered in lush, vibrant foliage. A waterfall cascaded down from a high cliff, creating a shimmering rainbow in its midst. Finn and Lily stepped onto the island, feeling the soft sand beneath their feet. Squawk flew ahead, chirping excitedly. "Let's find that treasure," Finn said, holding up the map. They followed the map's directions, which led them through the dense jungle. They passed by giant, colorful flowers and strange, glowing insects. The air was filled with the sweet scent of tropical fruits. After a while, they reached a clearing where the ancient ruins of an old pirate fort stood. Moss-covered stones and crumbling walls hinted at a bygone era. "This must be the place," Lily said, looking around. Using the map, they located a hidden entrance at the base of the fort. With a bit of effort, they managed to open the heavy stone door and ventured inside. Inside the fort, the air was cool and damp. Torches mounted on the walls flickered to life as they passed. Lighting their way, they descended a spiral staircase that led to a large chamber filled with glittering treasure. Gold coins, sparkling jewels, and ornate chests were piled high. Finn and Lily's eyes widened in amazement. "We found it!" Finn cheered. But their celebration was cut short when a ghostly figure emerged from the shadows. It was the spirit of an old pirate, his eyes glowing with an eerie light. "Who dares enter the lair of Captain Silverbeard?" the ghostly pirate boomed. Finn and Lily trembled but stood their ground. "We're here to find the treasure of Rainbow Island," Finn said bravely. Captain Silverbeard eyed them for a moment before chuckling. "You've got spirit, I'll give ye that. But the treasure comes with a price. Ye must prove ye worth by solving my riddles." Lily stepped forward, her mind sharp and ready. "We're ready. What's the first riddle?" Captain Silverbeard grinned, his ghostly form flickering. "Very well, here be the first riddle. I can be cracked, made, told, and played." "What am I?" Finn and Lily exchanged glances. After a moment, Lily's face lit up. "A joke. The answer is a joke." Captain Silverbeard nodded, impressed. "Correct. Now for the second riddle. I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. I have no body, but I come alive with wind. What am I?" This time, Finn thought hard. Suddenly, he remembered the sound of the wind howling during the storm. "An echo. The answer is an echo." "Well done," said Silverbeard. "Here be the final riddle. The more of this there is, the less you see." "What is it?" Lily pondered for a moment before answering confidently. "Darkness." "The answer is darkness." Captain Silverbeard laughed heartily. "You've done well, young adventurers. The treasure is yours." With a wave of his hand, Captain Silverbeard revealed a hidden chest. Finn and Lily opened it, expecting to find more gold and jewels. Instead, they found a simple, old book with a shimmering cover. "This be the true treasure of Rainbow Island," Silverbeard explained. "It holds the secrets of the sea, ancient knowledge, and wisdom that can guide ye on many more adventures." Finn and Lily carefully took the book, understanding its immense value. "Thank you, Captain Silverbeard," Lily said sincerely. "May ye always seek adventure and stay true to your hearts," the ghostly pirate said before fading away. With the enchanted book safely in their possession, Finn and Lily made their way back to the Sea Serpent. Captain Barnacle welcomed them back with a hearty laugh. "I knew you'd find the treasure," he said proudly. The journey back to Harbourwell was filled with stories and laughter. As they sailed through the enchanted waters once more, Finn and Lily felt a deep sense of fulfillment and excitement for the adventures yet to come. When they finally returned home, they shared their incredible story with Miss Marlowe and the other townsfolk. Finn and Lily knew that this was just the beginning of their pirate adventures. Epilogue. The adventures continue back in Harbourwell. Finn and Lily spent hours studying the magical book. It revealed secrets about the sea, maps to uncharted islands, and even spells to communicate with sea creatures. With Captain Barnacle and Squawk by their side, Finn and Lily embarked on many more journeys, each one more thrilling than the last. They discovered hidden islands, rescued sea creatures, and even encountered more pirate spirits who shared their tales of the past. Finn and Lily's friendship grew stronger with each adventure, and they became known as the bravest and kindest young pirates in all the seas. Their story spread far and wide, inspiring other young adventurers to seek out their own treasures and embrace the spirit of exploration. And so, the legend of Finn and Lily, the pirate pals, lived on, proving that with courage, friendship, and a thirst for adventure, anything is possible.